What up, guys? This is Alex, the Real Painting Redneck here. We have CSX 0709 coming through the line really slow because he's going to be going through Lake Wales Junction.
CSX 6408, restrict the signal, Lake Wales Junction, northbound.
There's the restrict signal right there, red over white. I'm not even going to show this crossing because it's too generic. No boxcars, just the reefers. And there's a grain hopper on the end. I wonder where he's from. There it goes. There's 0709 going south on the Plant City sub from Tampa. This is Alex, the Rail Painting Redneck.